Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you set up HDMI as default power on input in your Hisense Google TV. To set an HDMI input as default when powering on your Hisense Google TV, you'll need to navigate to settings, find the power and energy. For that, use your remote to access the settings menu, usually found by pressing the settings gear or the menu button. Then you want to find the system section in the input, after which within the system settings, look for power and energy. Then you want to locate the power on behavior settings and change it from Google TV screen to last use input. After you've actually done it, so you want to turn the TV off and back on. It should now launch the last HDMI input you were using before turning it off. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.